Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside Sector 45. This location is nearly connected with the Hudda City Centre, the main Medanta Hospital, the Greenwood City and the South City too. Today we're on a plot size of 342 square yards, which is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen. That's the configuration of the house. Let's get started. This place where I'm standing right now, this is the formal living cum dining space of the house, which has Italian on the surface. Towards your left, you'll see a small plain thick wallpaper. The provisioning for the air conditioning system is given here. Towards your left, you see a beautiful console for your television, pre-installed satellite dish. This is a beautiful ceiling given to you on the roof, which has a wallpaper, and in the center, you've got a wooden board which has सीलिंग फैन और ऊपर में एलईडी लाइट्स भी दी हुई हैं recess stripped. This is also connected with the front balcony of the house. It's a stable glass window. This is the front balcony of the house. A tap has been given here, a drainage vessel, the split air conditioning का आपका provisioning है. This is your metal railing which has the granite stone underneath. This is the galvanization done on this metal. On the surface, you'll see all the tiling work done here, and show them the surroundings a little, please. This is where we are back inside to the formal dining space. This is the dining space of the house. On the left, you'll see the provisioning for the air conditioning system, Italian on the surface. You talk about the ceiling, you've got the wallpaper encrypted on the ceiling design. This is a small wooden block centered given design here, which has a small ceiling lamp. This is your fan by Havells. यहाँ पर मैं आपका पूरा का पूरा wooden console दिया हुआ है, पूरा space दिया हुआ है to keep your materials. यहाँ पर crockery भी रख सकते हैं, anything that you want to utilize this as. Let's cover up the first bedroom of the house. You've got the tiling on the surface. Left wall is here. On the left hand side, you'll see a thick wallpaper. This is your glass window. That's your closet section. ऊपर में आप ceiling देखेंगे. This is a normal ceiling design in square shape. LED lights surrounded on the corners. The provisioning for the air conditioning system is given here. This is your triangular running shelf. This is the back side of the house. The back window. The back space of the balcony. Quite a thick balcony. Countertop में granite दिया हुआ है railing पे. पूरा का पूरा. This is your kitchen. ये आपका tap है, drainage vessel है. This is a huge running balcony. इधर की तरफ यहाँ पर air conditioning का provisioning. Again, you've got a tap, wet area, drainage vessel this way. This is also connected with the washroom inside. Come here. You've got the washroom space out here, anti-skid tiles on the surface, designer tiles on the walls, wall-mounted commode, see the glass channel. You've got a rain head this way, a small ceiling fan, a beautiful mirror, natural countertop stone, followed by a beautiful glossaire, a bowl-shaped vanity. This is your glass channel. Sanitary fittings are by Jaguar and Vitra, mixed use. This is your closet. Second bedroom of the house is this way. A small closet for your kids. This is a small compact kind of a kids room that I will consider. Left wall is set empty for your customization, a pre-installed satellite wire. This is your fixed window, spacing for the air conditioning system. Ceiling design stays in square. A small fan is installed there. This is the washroom of the house. A beautiful round shaped pedestal vanity that I see, a granite countertop, cabinetries, a normal commode seat which is placed on the surface of the floor, a beautiful rain head, designer tiles on the walls, anti-skid on the surface, provisioning for geyser, mirror, and you've got the exhaust fan out here. This was the second bedroom. Let's get inside to the third bedroom of the house. You've got the normal tiling work on the surface, pre-installed satellite dish wire. This is your thick wallpaper, air conditioning का provisioning आपको दिया हुआ है, closet, triangular running shelf, and this is your dressers room this way. Closet इधर दिया हुआ है, इधर dressers room है. A normal compact washroom, anti-skid tiles on the surface. This is a partition given for a one level above the surface to maintain the wet and the dry area. This is a glass channel. Inside the glass channel, this is the shower area. That's your rain head. All the sanitary fittings are by Jaguar and Vitra. This is all designer tiles on the walls. A running beautiful granite shelf once again. Vanity by Glossera. Natural granite stone. Cabinet raised down here. And you've got a fan above me on the ceiling. This also has a balcony connected this way. This is your running balcony. You've got a wet area tap, drainage vessel that side. This is again taking right from this way, which is connected with the first bedroom and the kitchen space this way. Hiya, please. That's the space for your air conditioning का provisioning. जाली के दरवाजे पूरे दिए हुए हैं आपको यहाँ पर. Wooden work काफ़ी अच्छा हुआ है भाई घर में. This is your fourth bedroom. Tiling on the surface, a beautiful closet on the right hand side, wallpaper at the back side. On this wall you've got the provisioning for the air conditioner, the pre-installed satellite wire. This is your washroom space. पूरा का पूरा यहाँ closet दिया हुआ है, dressers room दिया हुआ है. दिखा दीजिए एक बार आके बंदर आके. You've got the space to keep your stuff above that side. That's the running shelf. You've got a cabinet space out here as well. This is a glass channel to maintain the wet and the dry area. Rain head, which is wall mount, designer tiles on the walls, and on the surface you've got the anti-skid running beautiful granite stone. You've got the wall mounted commode seat. This is a granite stone and a beautiful bowl shaped vanity which has a glass in front of it. Beautiful washroom that I must say, in a small space. A fixed glass window. This is the front of the house. On the right hand side you'll see this is the provisioning for the air conditioning system, which is given this way. And probably this is the balcony that you'll be sharing in common with the formal living space of the house. Again, you've got the mesh door. This is the hallway area where we are back at. Let's cover up the kitchen. This is the kitchen space. On the left hand side you can park your refrigerator. This way you can keep your oven. Towards the moving shelf you see the granite black color natural stone which is stain free. This is your dual sink, movable washers vessel, spacing for your geyser. You wash your utensils and you park it here and you can drag the water down. That's your veggies basket. That's for your fruit basket. यहाँ पर मैं आपका पूरा का पूरा pantry stuff दिया हुआ है to keep your liquids. This is again a space given to you. This is a small space given to you to keep your cutlery, grains, pepper, salt, or maybe anything else. On the surface you'll see this is Italian. Over the roof ceiling that you'll see it's a blue color stripped LED recessed lights and a small wooden console in the center which has a fan. This is your ventilation window and this is your exhaust. This is also connected with the back side of the house. You got a tap, drainage vessel. And this is the running balcony. थोड़ा सा surroundings आके एक बारी दिखा दीजिए. This is a huge beautiful kitchen and you've got a hob is not been given with the property. This is your chimney by Sunflame. Sunflame company का chimney है that you'll get. This is again a space, cabinet space. This was all about the kitchen. So probably time to sign off. Thank you so very much for watching us. Don't forget to give us a call on the number listed below. If you're looking for a site visit, we'll be more than happy to welcome you on board. Thank you so very much and don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to give us your thumbs up once again as a reminder. Thank you so very much. Bye-bye. Thank you.